coming. Today we'll be talking about the cloud computing concept. And this slide is from the Cloud Security Alliance CCSK guide, the 177 pages, version 3.1. And the intent of this slide is really to give you the foundation, where you want to have a conversation about the cloud. You'll be able to describe the attributes of the cloud. So remember the magic number 534. 534. 5 are the attributes. The first one is the broadband access, which basically access anywhere, anytime. And rapid elasticity, basically, you can expand your computing need or your storage need or your networking need as the business need, and you can shrink when the demand is low. Measured service is basically you know what you are consuming. You can get to look at the dashboard. You can look at how much you spend, and the future, the forecast. You can even know if you continue this way how much you'll be spending 6 months from now. On-demand service that put the customer in charge, in control. They will get it when they want it, and they don't have to call help desk. They don't have to go open ticket. They have a browser and logging, and they can go in and start. The developer depend on the deployment service deployment model. It can be a developer can go ahead and get more instances so they can run their code, or you can have a customer as a software service. You can go ahead and just consume the service like the Google Doc or Work Doc or like a Dropbox and what have you. You have now the service model, the SPI acronym, top down, software as a service, your Google app, your Dropbox. You have platform as a service, and any platform to deploy. Like Force.com is one of them, and there are other environments that you can go and create application, use the platform to create those applications. Infrastructure as a service basically bring your own. You can use the software, the OS that you want, or because however some provider they do have some images for you to use. Of course you pay, but you're in charge at the OS level and up. So you're responsible for patches and all those kind of things. And then, of course, the other concept that's important is the deployment model. You have a public, Amazon Web Services, one of them, Google, is basically anyone with a card, with a credit card, can go ahead and consume this service. You get a private is for an entity, for usually this kind of an enterprise. They will have this private cloud where they will take advantage of the attributes of the cloud. This can be really in premise with the organization boundary, but also it can be really in a remote place. It can be in like you know now with Amazon they have those a private cloud called the VPC, and you have a hybrid which is a mix between the private and the public cloud. And the most important one is really you need to remember it is the community cloud. Community cloud, it sounds like something like community, like free or confusing with the public. This really is a vertical, like the golf cloud. You have to be governed to be one tenant here. And usually the first thing is this community cloud is designed for organizations. They have a common goal, like banking, healthcare, and what have you. So you will remember 534. Any question? Great. So thank you for being here and have a nice day.